Good morning, lovely people. I hope you are wonderful. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Claudia. I wanted to do a boop, boop, boop does my voiceover, but I kept thinking, who is going to do my voiceover? So, what we're going to do this early Saturday morning, July 27th at 1:47 in the morning. 1:47. My mirror is right here. We're gonna make this happen.
Alright, so she's having a sip of kale juice. Ain't nothing bright your day like some kale juice. All the vitamins and minerals. Makes you feel like you can take on the world. It also tastes nasty. Alright, so everybody's makeup starts with apparently 3 squirts of what appears to be lotion. And it has to be done right here, and right here. Anywhere else and you fucked up. So she's applying that liberally all over her face from here on down. That's like makeup pregame 101. You need those. Let's cross. You know. And the brown stuff, I don't know what the brown stuff is, or whoa, the brown stuff is like really, it's like changing the color of her face. Yeah, the brown stuff is that deal. You want to go from 2 different shades to use the brown stuff. Michael Jackson's case, it was the white stuff. That's going everywhere, all over, nose, forehead. What is it? I don't know what that is. Is that another? Oh, that's the stuff again. Okay, maybe this is a different color. Yeah, that's the pregame. Pregame with a little bit of brush action underneath the eyes. Okay. Looks like she's about to play football. She's about to go. It's just the game of the year right there. Whenever you put the eye black on, you mean business. You know, something's getting fucked up. She's getting the chin now. So now she looks like one of those like a Apache warrior or something. With it everywhere like that. It's kind of scary. Like it's somewhat intimidating. You know what I'm saying? All she needs is a tomahawk and feather, man. Somebody's gonna die. She's doing this some more. Applying it under the cheeks. Right now she's using the color with a brush. It looks like you brush it on different areas. She's just brushing it on her eye right now. But, you know, it's almost like it was obvious that it's incomplete. You know, there's more stuff that needs to go to this. And she's constantly looking at her mirror and making sure that it's applied correctly. And that's probably a big deal, you know, because you don't want it to look disproportionate. But she's got a big book right now with different colors. She's showing it off, you know, so you can see what she has to choose from. And she's picking certain colors. Looks like she's going with the color of her skin. She's trying to skin tone match or color match. But it's matched in such a way that it's like it's embellishing the overall frame of her face. I don't know. I'm trying to use big words that sound smart. So what she's doing is going over the curvatures of her face with the colors and is making it, you know, making her facial features stand out more, so to speak. And now that stuff overall brightened her face a lot. Brightened her face a lot. And looking at another little smaller brush. It's the fine tuning brush. No, it's not. It's just something small so you don't get the stuff in your eyes. It kind of controls the application of it. And then she's got the little mirror to help guide her. She don't want that shit getting in your eyes. It looks like that fucking hurts. Yeah, she's applying some more stuff to it. Getting it all evenly distributed. And some more kale juice. Helps the thinking process. Revitalizes the organs. You know. Smoky. Ooh. It sounds like a type of jerky. Smoky. I want some fucking smoky jerky today, goddamn. That's some good shit, man. Smoky apparently has a whole bunch of different colors in there. Blue being one of the colors. But today she's going to be using a weird peach looking color. I don't know what the correct color term for that is, but it's being used and is being applied heavily over this area right here. Do it again. So. Now even smaller brush. Even smaller. Gotta take a deep breath. Requires precise motor skills and control to get around there. Real precise. Color matching looks like it's pretty hard to do. You know, you gotta make sure you really think that through. It's not something that you just wing it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think I'll put a little blue on. I think I'll put a little purple on. You know what? I think that pink would be really nice with that brown and that orange. Nah, that ain't gonna look too good. So it's a dual brush, double brush. Using the vanity little mirror. Pop. She hits it with that. Make sure she's doing it good. She's applying some to the eyebrows now. I have no idea what that is. It looks like a stick, but it pops off and it's actually a brush within a stick. And it's pretty ingenious. Whoever designed that probably is very rich. She's applying that liberally to her eyelashes. So that must be something that extends the eyelashes. Or like makes them look, you know, darker. You know, so she's applying some, I don't know what that is. But it's actually brightening up the undersides of the cheeks. I mean, it's weird, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's some stuff I don't see this often. I always see movies where the lady's in the car and she's like, oh. But it's something always happens, you know what I'm saying? There's a car crash and a guy runs up and shoots the driver, you know what I'm saying? It's something bad happens when you do this, you know what I'm saying? When women do it when they're nervous, like, he's gonna kill me, you know what I'm saying? It's one of the little deals. So anyway, it's a prelude to something else. But in this thing, it's just more color. More colors coming from the diaphragms and stuff. But I mean, honestly, like in these last couple of seconds that I've been looking at this, it's actually brightening her face. You know, the contrast of her face is getting brighter. It's almost as if she's painting a fake light on her face. Like artificial light to highlight your facial features, but it's like powder. I guess she's doing that to, like, you know what I'm saying, let you see the contrast, the color against a white canvas. You know what I'm saying? It's bright. Look at that. What color is this? See, look, I'm looking like a peach brownish color, like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what you call that, but that would be like a mango or some shit. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. So she's using it again. She's brushing over the side of her cheeks and her face, and, you know, her jaw and whatnot. And showing you again some more colors. So she's gonna use the purplish color. I want to see how that fares on there. That's a different color. Brushing her face. I wonder, is there a way, could you go overboard and put too much on? You know, I wonder that. I want to see somebody put too much on. I want to see something where somebody just does it horribly wrong, because right now she's very meticulous about what she's doing, and it actually looks good. Now I would want to see makeup done drunk. You know what I mean? Like, that would be hilarious. Somebody did that. You know, but anyway. So she's applying it all over her face, around the nose. That must be like a powder or something, like a powdery, like a little powder brush. You know what I'm saying? I guess that evenly spreads everything all over. Just doing the forehead too. Chin. Yeah, her face is definitely a lot brighter. Like it highlighted a whole lot of her face. Just going around the lips. Applying very moderately with that. She's not really going heavy, so that must be something that you can really screw up if you do it wrong. And the fan, I guess she's hot now. It's a brush though. So I guess the way that the brushes are made, they must apply something, make the makeup go on a different way. Because I'm looking at the brushes shapes, and the brushes are like somewhat weirdly shaped. This one is like it looked like a little fan. I thought it was a little fan at first, but it's something that you brush the sides of your face with. So she's going around, making sure she's getting it everywhere that she wants it to be. And then she's doing a vanity look, you know. Do one of those. Check yourself out. I do that sometimes. Alright, so that's a red lipstick. It's the lipstick part. Alright, so this is the part where somebody attacks the car or kills the driver. Right there. It killed the driver. Classic kill the driver. She's doing that. Something bad's about to happen. And then lipstick just looks weird. It's just some weird looking stuff. It's like a wax or something. Like, I don't know. This is weird, man. I heard that stuff tastes horrible too. Like it's just nasty. So, I don't know what that is, an outliner or something. I thought she was done, but apparently there's more stuff to paint. She's painting the bottom of her lips. Must be like fine tuning. She's fine tuning everything. I do say like, red lipstick looks good. I mean, it looks good. It's bright and it's just like, you know, it stands out. Music funny. Like music.